Hello children, today we are going to solve NCERT exercises of chapter electric current and its effects. So let's start doing the questions. Question number 1. Draw in your notebook the symbols to represent the following components of electrical circuits. Connecting wires, switch in off position, bulb, cell, switch in on position, and a battery. So let's start doing this. So first of all, we will draw connecting wires. Connecting wires. For making connecting wire, we draw a single line. Then switch, it will be in off position. For making a switch in off position, we draw it this way. Bulb, we can draw bulb like this. Then cell, so we draw cell like this, and this is the positive terminal of the cell and this is the negative terminal of the cell. Then switch in on position. So we show the switch in on position like this, and a battery. So we all know that battery is combination of more than two cells. So this is a battery, right? Now moving on to next question. Draw a circuit diagram to represent the circuit shown in this figure. So here what we have to do, we have to draw a circuit diagram. So we have already learned how to use symbols. So here we can see that there is a bulb, there is a cell and a switch along with connecting wires. So what we will do, we will start making from here. This is cell and then bulb, and here you can see that cell is, this switch is not connected, means it is in off position. So here we can write, now we can write the names. So this is bulb, connecting wires, and this is switch, and this is cell. Now next question, the bulb in the circuit shown in figure 14.23 does not glow. Can you identify the problem? Make necessary changes in the circuit to make the bulb glow. So here we can see a circuit wherein there are two cells. This will combine and make a battery. And here we can see that both the cells are connected with each other, but positive terminal of one cell is connected with positive terminal of another cell, which is wrong, right? So we know that the current will flow when the positive terminal of one cell will be connected with the negative terminal of another cell. So we will do the correction. We will make it this way, that the negative terminal of the cell should be here along with the positive terminal. So let's make the change and draw it again. Here we can see that this is switch, then the bulb, connecting wires, and here we will draw negative terminal, positive terminal, then again negative terminal and positive terminal, and we will connect it, right? So this is how we will make it, and the current will start flowing through it. Moving on to next question. Name any two effects of electric current. So when we write two effects of electric current, effect number 1, magnetic effect of electric current, and number 2, heating effect of electric current. Next question. When the circuit is switched on through a wire, a compass needle kept nearby gets deflected from its north-south position. Explain. So when we flow the current through a wire, due to its magnetic effect, because the current is flowing through the wire, a magnetic field will form along the wire, due to which if we keep the needle near it, it will start deflecting. So we can write down that magnetic field will be produced due to current flowing through the wire. Hence, compass needle kept in this field will deflect, right? Now moving on to next question. Will the compass needle show deflection when the switch in the circuit shown by figure 14.24 is closed? So here we can see that this is switch, this is electromagnet, and this is bulb. But we cannot find any source of electricity, means any battery or cell here. So when there is no source of electricity, the current will not flow and there will be no magnetic effect, right? So compass needle will not deflect, right? So we will write, as there is no source of current, as there is no source of current, means we can, in bracket, we can write cell or battery. So what will happen? Hence the current will not flow, and there will be no deflection. And compass needle will not deflect. Next question, fill in the blanks. Long line in symbol of a cell represents its positive terminal. We all know about it. Next, the combination of two or more cells is called a battery. When current is switched on in a room heater, it will glow, or we can say that it heats. The safety device based on heating effect of electric current is called a fuse. Now mark true if the statement is true and F if the statement is false. So make a battery of two cells. The negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other cell. So here we can see that we have to make a battery of two cells wherein negative terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of other cell. If both the terminals are negative and they are connected with each other, the battery will not work. So it should be positive terminal. That means it is false. When the electric current through the fuse exceeds a certain limit, the fuse wire melts and breaks. Yes, this is true. This is how it works. An electromagnet does not attract a piece of iron. Again, this is false because if electromagnet is there, then it will attract, right? So this is false. An electric wheel has an electromagnet. Yes, this is true. We have done it in class. Next question. Do you think an electromagnet can be used for separating plastic bags from a garbage heap? Explain. We use electromagnet to separate magnetic substances because it is a magnet. So it will not attract plastic bag because plastic bag is not a magnetic material, right? So we will write no, plastic bags cannot be separated. Next question. An electrician is carrying out some repairs in your house. He wants to replace a fuse by a piece of wire. Would you agree? Give reasons for your response. No, I would not agree. Why? Because all the fuse wires, they have a specific melting point, and all the fuse wires, all the fuse, when we made these fuse, then we keep we take the material which has low melting point so that when excess current will flow through the circuit, then they will melt and the appliances which are attached in the circuit will not get damaged, right? So I will write here no. I would not agree as fuse wire has low melting point. So any other wire cannot be used in the circuit, right? Now next question in the circuit shown in figure 14.25. So here we can see a circuit. Now what are the questions? Would any of the bulb glow when the switch is in off position? When the switch is in off position, we know that there will be no current in the circuit. So no bulb will glow. So here we will write as switch is off, so no current will flow and no bulb will glow, right? Next question. What will be the order in which the bulb A, B, and C will glow when the switch is moved to the on position? So as soon as we will switch it on, then what will happen? The current will start flowing through the circuit and all the bulbs A, B, and C, they will glow together, right? So here we will write all the bulbs will glow together, right? So children, these were the questions from the NCERT book, and that's it for the day. We will meet again and solve any other chapter.